Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Wanted to chat about a couple Mustang part updates that we put on today. Filter and intake tube. So this had the original paper filter, and as you can see, it's done. And while we were at it, went ahead and took off the stock intake tube here for JLT Performance intake tube. So this intake tube isn't sized any bigger, so it didn't require a tune or anything like that. And so far, I've been out for about 10 miles and no check engine light or anything like that. I didn't go with one that you have to do a tune because this car's actually still under warranty, and I just want to be sure everything's ironed out. I see myself maybe going down that road later in life. Just wasn't ready for that now. So the promise from this tube is that you'd hear more blower noise, and did take it out for a quick spin, and I'll show that at the end of this video. And I would agree, it does. There is a little more supercharger whine. I don't understand why. Supposedly the factory one had some sort of baffle in there to quiet that, and man, I don't know why you'd want to do that, but that's of course my opinion. As far as the filter goes, that is branded as a Ford Performance. It's a dry reusable air filter. It's made by Air-Aid. Here's the box. See, it's got a Ford Performance part on it, but it's an Air-Aid product. So I've been happy with their products in the past. Can't really say much about this. The filter also doesn't require a tune or anything like that. So again, with my drive, I haven't no check engine lights or anything. Granted, I've only been out for 10 miles, but I don't anticipate any problems. Yeah, so far happy with it. I think the tube does clean things up a bit. I know some might argue that it might be a waste of cash since you're not actually gaining any horsepower, which I get that, but later in life we'll go down that road. So anyway, enjoy, have a great day, and we'll see you soon.